Everyone, myself Kanimali. Today I am going to present my seminar on shift register, which are widely used in digital electronics for storing and transferring data. Next, what is a shift register or introduction to shift register? A shift register is simply a group of flip-flops connected in series. It is mainly used to store data and move the data either to the left or right. Whenever a clock pulse is applied, the stored bits shift their position. The input is usually given serially, one bit at a time, and the output can be serial or parallel. Next, working principle of shift register. A shift register is made of flip-flops connected in a chain. Each flip-flop stores one bit of data. When a clock pulse comes, the data in each flip-flop moves or shifts to next flip-flop. New data enters the first flip-flop and the last flip-flop gives output. The shifting can be the left or right depending on how the flip-flops are connected. For example, here I will use D flip-flop to construct a shift register. Each flip-flop can store 1 bit data. So here I will use 4 D flip-flops. So each flip-flop can store 1 bit data. Here I will explain the truth table. Before we start, all flip-flops are reset. So Q3, Q2, Q1 are 0. And now we give the clock pulse 1 and input as 1 to the first flip-flop. On the first clock pulse, the input 1 enters Q0. So now Q0 equal to 1 and the others remain 0. Next, I will give the clock pulse 2 for the second flip-flop, input as 0. On the second clock pulse, the previous bit shift to Q1. So Q1 equal to 1, the new input 0 enters Q0 and Q2 and Q3 are still 0. Clock pulse 3, input as 1. On the third clock pulse, the bits shift again. Now Q2 1, Q1 0 and Q0 equal to 1 because new input is 1. Next, clock pulse 3, clock pulse 4, input 1. On the fourth clock pulse, all 4 flip-flops are filled. The final outputs are Q3 equal to 1, Q2 equal to 0, Q1 equal to 1, Q0 equal to 0. Together that gives 1010 as the serial output. There are 4 types of shift registers. One, serial input, serial output, serial input, parallel output, parallel input, parallel output, parallel input, serial output. Next, applications of shift register. Shift registers have many applications in digital electronics. They are used for temporary data storage, for data transfer, and for data manipulation like delays or conversion. They are also used in counters, sequence generators, calculators, and communication systems. Next, advantages. Shift registers have several advantages. They are simple and easy to design using flip-flops. They reduce hardware requirements in data transfer. They can be used for faster data storage and retrieval. They also help in saving communication lines by converting parallel data into serial. Next, I will conclude my presentation. To conclude, shift registers are simple sequential circuits, but they play a very important role in digital systems. They help in storing, transferring, and manipulating data efficiently. That's all about my presentation on shift registers. Thank you.